Pero ang maganda nga naman is because we're talking about it. So when you find yourself na parang ako, I guess for somebody, that's why this is my job because I'm very confident at what I do. Sabi ko nga, dalawa lang skills ko hosting at saka driving. I'm a good driver. Nagkaroon ng point na I was feeling disoriented and anxious na suddenly pag may dadaan na motorsiklo, which is kaliwat kanan naman yan, sanay na. As in, nagaganda ko, parang I became so anxious. I lost confidence in driving, my favorite, and one of the only 2 skills that I have. Grabe ha? Sabi ko, and hosting, dalawa na nga lang. Umabot sa point that I'm going to do a segment outside our morning show na for me, it's just like breathing, kasi sanay na ako for the past 25 years. Nagkakaroon ako ng kawalan ng confidence sa sarili ko. It's unnerving. And it knocks you down from where you stand na parang you were so confident before. It's weird. And then you let that pass.
So you know something's off.
Something's off, and that's why it's also so important to choose a right partner in life, to have somebody in your home that is your ally, your mother, your sister, your brother. Kasi ang weird niya na hindi mo siya ma-explain. Pero lilipas din siya. Pero tama si Claudine, you know yourself best at alam mo na parang hindi ako to. So, bakit ito nangyayari sa akin?
You're not going crazy. Okay, really, you're not going crazy.
Because it feels that way sometimes.
Sometimes it does. But if you're going crazy with friends like, paring ko yung phone mo, okay lang.
Pwedeng-pwede.